Okay, this is going to go over solving compound inequalities using kind of like this number technique. I'm going to call it the numbering technique. The big one for it is just to remember these quick things. If there's an or statement, that means it needs to work for one or the other. Doesn't have to be both. Okay, it just has to be one or the other. If it's an and statement, it has to work for both. Okay. So what we're going to end up doing is we're going to graph like on the number line, let's say like 3 and 5. And we say, okay, we're greater than 3, less than 5. Okay, so I'll put that one over here. So x is greater than 3, x is less than 5. The numbering technique works as, okay, over here in this section, how many lines are there? Well, it's just one. It's what was less than 5, because greater than 3 goes that way. Here, there's 2 lines. See how they both like overlap each other? And then over here, there's 1. If it were an or statement here, well, I go my answers anywhere there's at least one answer. So if this was an or statement, my answer would be everything, because there's 1, 2, 1. If this were an and statement, I go where there are 2 answers. Well, there are 2 answers in the middle. So if this were an and statement, my answers would be the stuff in between. Okay, we're going to do one problem together, and they'll give you something to do on your own. So let's try 2x Let's try this one. If you want to pause the video and try it on your own, come back. Awesome. I'll come back. Okay, I'll divide by 2. Distribute the -1. Combine some like terms. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Move the x over. Divide by 5. Okay. So let's graph it. So 2 over 5 smaller. X is greater than or equal to 2, so all this stuff. X is greater than or equal to this one, so it goes over all that. Okay, so I have 0. Only one of the solutions work here, and both of them work here. Okay. Well, since it is an and statement, it has to work for both. That's this section here. So my answer would be 2, infinity. Okay, I'm going to give you a 2 to try on your own. Let's try this one. Okay, so that's the first one I want you to try, and then the second one we'll do as this. Okay. Okay, so try those 2 out. Give you 2 different problems. Come back and see how you did. Okay, welcome back. Okay, so first one I got to divide by -3, so that's actually going to flip the sign. Or distribute the 5. So x plus 10 minus 5x. Combine my terms. Move that over. Divide by -1. That's going to flip the sign. Okay. -10, -3. So x is greater than -10 over here, or x is greater than -3. So now 0, 1, 2. Or statement means only one of them have to work, so I can't, my answer's not there, but these have answers in it. So I start at -10, and it was included, off to infinity. Okay, and this last one here, multiply both sides by 7. Divide by 2. 5, 14. Okay, so x is greater than 14, less than or equal to 5. Okay, let's do our method. There's 1, 0, 1. It is an and statement. There's nowhere where they both cross. No solution. Okay, hopefully I helped you out.